Hello everyone, welcome to Rod's Repairs. Today I got a good one for you. You guessed it. I'm going to show you how to clean these LED fluorescent lights. I do a lot of painting in my garage, and as you can see, they got overspray all over them. Yeah, you can wipe some of it off, but it ain't all coming off, and it's just hard to get off. These lights here are pretty expensive, and they have like a plastic coating on them. As you can see, this light here, the coating's starting to come off. I cleaned it once or twice already. It actually turned out pretty clean compared to the rest of them. I've used lacquer thinner, reducers of all kinds, enamel, I've tried naphtha and all that stuff, but nothing takes the overspray off, to make them look good again. So you either replace them or clean them. So today I'm going to show you how I clean my lights and save a ton of money, because these are not cheap and they're reusable. You can get them wet, they're sealed up, and I haven't had any issues with cleaning them. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is maybe take a scuff pad and just scuff them up, just scuff them a little bit. We'll do one light. So I just like to take a scuff pad and just knock some of the stuff off it. This light's actually turning out pretty good. But you can see this is the inside of the light. That's why it's coming out nice. That's the outside of the light. Yeah, you can turn them around, but then you got this, so that's kind of, blocking the light. So, and it's got this white strip, so you can't really turn the light around. So the light's got to be this side. I've tried everything to get this dirt crap off it to make it look, nice like this. So this is what I do. I clean it first a little bit, and then I put all the lights once I clean them on the wood. So I'm going to take and scuff all them lights. I'm going to throw them on the wood, and then get yourself some Easy Off. This is heavy duty oven cleaner. I'm going to spray all the lights down with it. I'm going to let it sit for about a half hour, and I'll tune back in a bit. Okay, just a hot tip. I already gave them a good scuff. Now when you lay them down, make sure you got the dirty side up, the overspray side up, because remember, on the other side of the light, which is this side, is going to be the cleanest part of the light. So, because that doesn't get the overspray. So you want to make sure you turn all the lights, the dirtiest side up. And now that we got the dealy bob going, set the camera down here for a sec. I'd recommend don't do it. Obviously, do it outside. Put on your rubber gloves. Get your eye protection on, and hold your breath. Just spray them down. Hold your breath, hold your breath. Okay, I'm going to let it sit for a half hour, and I'll tune back in. We'll get them cleaned up. Okay, they've been sitting for about a half hour, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean the worst one, and then you know, times whatever, save some video time. So I'll give one a good clean, and that'll be the video. So here we go, let's let her rip. I don't really smell anything right now, so the fumes are definitely depleted. So we're just gonna grab this one. I'm just gonna rinse it, get a little water on it, and take my scuff. Look at that. It's not an exact science, but like I say, these things they're plastic. They got plastic coating on the outside, and if you try to clean it with like, let's say, you know, like I said, lacquer thinner or enamel reducer, it just dulls out the plastic, and it basically ruins the light, I think. So we don't want to ruin the light. It's going to take you a little elbow grease, but look at this baby, looks brand new almost. Then have another rag, you know, clean it off. Look at that. This part here goes up top, so you click it in. So this is the side you're going to see. It's like a brand new light again. Save yourself a boatload of money, a little elbow grease. That's how you do it. That's how you clean your LEDs, 4-foot lights with the plastic coating. They do still make the glass lights, I think, and they clean up nice with like steel wool, something like that. But they're going more towards the plastic coating now, I think. I'm not sure. But anyway, I just wanted to give you a hot tip on how to clean your fluorescent lights without ruining them. I totally appreciate you guys watching, subscribing, liking, sharing for the channel. It's going to help me grow. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you.